Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Today is Friday, April 27th. A little bit in the evening, and it's been hot here in the desert. Already April, heating up good. Okay, like in the previous video was the passport, getting my passport card. I have spent days, and literally days. Went and got some opinions around here and some prices and all that on my dental work. And definitely going to Mexico. Unbelievable. You know, the dentist in this area, you could buy a car, a brand new, really nice car for the kind of money they're talking. Unreal. I just couldn't imagine it. Never dreamed that in a million years. And to have dental insurance, I mean, forget it. I mean, if you're lucky enough to have it, keep it. Pay for it. All right, I'll show you what I found here. All right, a few days ago, actually weeks ago, I started this search. I've been looking a long time. First off, Tijuana's out. I've been there, ain't going there. So it really boiled down to two places, Mexicali or Los Algodonas. And I've known people that have gone to both towns. Through the years, right up here's Quartzsite, and a lot of people I've met through the years have all gone and had very successful. Rarely did I ever hear a bad story. Once in a blue moon you might. But that can happen anywhere. But check it out. Like, here's Mexicali. Look at all of them. They're everywhere. There's over a dozen here in Mexicali. And they all got websites, almost all of them. Most of the reviews on them are pretty good. So, but I've known more people instead of Mexicali over here, Los Algodonas. We'll go dentist. And here they are. I mean, there are quite a few. Look at that. And that town ain't that big. So, what I've done in the last few days is contact a few of these guys. And they've all called back. I get price sheets from them. Most of the ratings, 4 and 5 stars. This guy got one with one review. But also, I've been talking to people I know that have had very good luck in Los Algodonas. So, I'll narrow down the search even more. Hang on. Alrighty. After I called and talked to about 4 of them, and they speak perfect English. They have United States phone numbers. Most of them have mailing addresses out of Yuma. To give you an example, excuse me, here's the border parking right here. Let me go to the satellite view. Look at the size of that parking lot. You walk across, it's like a block from the border. That's it. That's as far as you go. So if you feel unsafe, I don't know, there's a lot of crap going on with the border. I ain't worried about it. I'm American. But if you back up, like right here's Yuma. Right there is the town of Yuma. And there's Algodonas. So anyway, get back to dentist. I'm getting off track here. I picked out 3, and I'm going to head down there in about 7 days. I got appointments set up to interview, get screened. A lot of it's free. They'll x-ray you, tell you what they can do and for what price. So I picked out 3. And they all got great reviews on Google. And we're talking to them, you feel comfortable, and they really spend time on the phone. A lot of them are trained in the United States. They're licensed. A couple of them are licensed in both U.S. and Mexico. So it's a real deal. Amazing, really, and the prices. According to their price sheets, it's like 60 to 70% less than U.S. dentist. That's just incredible. So, anyway, that's the plan. All right, moving on. Alrighty, real quick. Here's one of them I picked. Algodonas Dental Care. I'll show you their website real quick. I mean, look at it. Well done website. American numbers. I mean, it's the real deal. So, and there's their doctor. Anyway, that's one of the places I'll go. But then also, real quick, I am not taking the motorhome. It's just too much hassle. I'm going to be there only about 3 or 4 days tops. So, over here in Yuma, let me find where I'm at here. I'll just back up. Right here is the border. You're about 8 miles into town. It's Hotel City. Right here. There's a ton of... This is a military town. Yuma's a Marine base. But there's all kinds of Best Westerns and all that. So anyway, I'm going to stay right here. Just for, 3 nights? 4 nights maybe. Depends how long they're going to work on me. Alrighty, but I'm leaving the end of this coming week. Alrighty, well, that's the beginning of the search of the dentist. I feel really good. I mean, I've talked extensively with all 3 of them and feel real good about it. Actually better than some of these guys around here, up here. I mean, first thing you gotta do is pull out your checkbook. Unreal. Just couldn't imagine. American dentist, they need to learn something from these guys. I mean, it's just highway robbery. Alright, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. I am filming this whole thing. Start to finish. Except we're in my mouth. You ain't going to see that. But you're going to see everything. Algodonas, going to the border, going back and forth, meeting a dentist, all of it. I'm going to film everything. So stay tuned. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Talk to you real soon, and don't forget to travel safe. Take care, all.